and Excelsior around 11:15 p.m. Eden Prairie and Carver around 11:20 p.m. Shakopee around 11:25 p.m. Burnsville and Savage around 11:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include North Minneapolis, Flying Cloud Airport, Osseo, New Hope, Como Park, Lakewood, Konya, Crystal Airport, University of Minnesota Minneapolis Campus, Medicine Lake and Long Lake. This includes Interstate 94 in Minnesota near mile marker 203, between mile markers 206 and 224, and between mile markers 226 and 237. For your protection, move to an interior room on